Hey guys, I want to make this quick video about coloring locks. I get people asking me about my hair color all the time, and I just want to talk about how I achieved this look. All right, so when I first started my locks 2 years ago, I colored my tips brownish blonde, like a honey blonde, with the intent of going back and lightening the tips. Now, what I found is that my hair started breaking. And I don't mean just a little bit. I mean the entire colored part of my hair broke off, right? So what I did was to go back and add Afro bulk human hair in that had already been bleached and colored so that I could achieve the colored look without damaging my natural hair. Okay, let me turn the light on. Hold on. All right, so I used 3 colors actually to sort of give this ombre gradient, right? So I've got a 30 here, a 27, and a 613, right, for the ends. If you notice, it's actually a little bit different than what you see in my hair, and that's because I treated it once I installed it. And when I say treated it, I use purple shampoo and conditioner. If you're not sure what that is, just YouTube it. Anybody who has blonde hair, like especially the white girls, they know about this purple shampoo. It makes your blondes brighter, gives you that platinum look without over bleaching. The other thing I used was a color tint. I'm trying to remember what the name of it was. Ash blonde. I use an ash blonde tint. Is that the right word? If it's not, I'll come back and edit later. But anyway, I went back over it to lighten it also. It makes it look more natural so you don't have these stock weave colors that everybody is so used to seeing. You can just tell that it's weave. Very important that you use human hair so that it blends well. Now, when I first did the extensions, I did them very long, and I was going through my ugly stage, and I have micro locks, so they were like that chicken head look. They were like too small for the size of my head, so I made sure that I made the extensions thicker. Now, the problem with that is that when I use interlocking, I prefer interlocking as my retightening method. So when I'm going back under the root, I use a needle. And to get through the needle with the root being, with the end being thicker than the root causes a lot of issues, snaggage, blah, 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 blah. So I have decided, well, first of all, when I did them first, I did them much longer. They were too heavy. I was taking martial arts and doing spin kicks and shit, and it was too heavy, and I'm like, can't do it. I ended up cutting them. Cool. But they're still too thick for when I tighten them. So I have resolved to section by section go back and redo my locks thinner and longer. I missed the length, but I want them smaller, okay? So I am working on a video of me redoing them. So I have started cutting my locks out so that I can, not the locks, but my extensions, so that I can show you guys how I put them back in. All right, and as you can see, you can see just like a little hint of the color on the ends. All of the color here broke off. If you're a color master, do your thing, whatever. I am not, and every time I have put color, chemicals, relaxer, texturizer, anything in my hair, it breaks. So I'm not fooling with it no more. I'm only coloring with extensions. You want to color your hair, that's between you and your stylist. I don't recommend it. So people ask me how I achieve my color. I will recommend using colored extensions. I can show you how to do colored extensions. I can do the color extensions for you if you pay me. I can't help you with coloring your hair. That ain't my business. If you check my stories, you can see my daughter actually just got some lime green extensions. Same thing, I used this 613 blonde and added some semi-permanent hair color. And and this is a direct quote, this is her dream come true, hun buns. Let's see, this lighting is, whatever. Get whatever color you want, it don't matter. But this is what my boo wanted, so that's what I got. So there you have it. That is how you can safely color your locks. I'll be back with another video. Like I said, I am working on a new set of extensions, longer and thinner, and I will give you all the details on the how-tos, and I'm a little bit better at it this go round also. These are stiffer, but that's just because I literally just put them in. I will wash them, condition them, I will color treat them, and they'll look a lot more natural. But anyway, that's what I got going on right now. Stay tuned for the update and the new look. Oops.